Talk about the longest day ever. These arrived today when I was 1 hour into a 10-hour shift. Still managed to come home and fulfill my family duties, but now everyone's in bed, it's time to unbox them. So if my incredible superhuman patience doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what does. But let's not delay it any longer. Let's get inside and have a look at this. I'm so excited. I am honestly so excited for this, I can't even tell you. I am the kind of guy who gets excited over any phone, any technology, but certainly phones. I get excited over going from one iPhone to next year's iPhone, and they're pretty much, well, iPhones. But this is like, I know this is like getting your first smartphone. This is the first time in ages where it's literally something completely new, something completely different, something you've not had before. So this is my first foldable device. Nice little shimmer on the box. Oh yeah, just teasing you with the reveal. And there she blows. Look at that. I'm going to set it to the side for 2 seconds. But first impressions there. I'm actually relieved. I don't know if I've watched a lot of videos, and I don't know if I've just been watching people who've got tiny, girly lady hands, but I was worried it was going to be too big. Because I've got my tablet as well. I've got my Samsung Galaxy tablet, Tab S7 Plus. And I was using that, I was thinking, what if it's a similar size? Is the tablet going to be defunct? But no, it's literally half the size, which is good. Real good, means the tablet still keeps pride in place. And then I've got phone, mini tablet, PC, all in one. Then I've got my little laptop and tablet combination when I want it. Inside the rest of this very slim box, of course, I've got the SIM ejector tool. Unboxings now are pretty boring, pretty lame, but I didn't want to rob you of the opportunity of this. And then, it feels pretty slim. So the things you get excited over: USB-C to USB-C, and a thinner wire than normal, but cool. Looks pretty decently long as well. And then probably just got some boring warranty, quick start guides, and yada yada yada. So that is it. That is unboxings these days. I'm not going to mention the C word because it is what it is, and I'm bored talking about it. I don't think it makes a difference. To be honest, I don't really care anymore, right? So moving on quickly. Let's take off the plastic, little pull tab there. You can see it is the Phantom black colour. There's the screen. There's the other screen. And there's the matte black. That matte black is nice. Feels slippery, but it's a nice matte finish. And the screen there, and some plastic around the edge. Just find an end to that so we can take. There we go. Oh, that's only one piece. God damn it. I'll leave that. I can see at least matte finish on the side, quite flat as well, which I like. And then the virgin fold. Oh, that does not feel natural. Does not feel natural at all to take a tablet-sized device and fold it in half. Let's power it on. While waiting for it to power on, first impressions, I really like the size. I like the fact that I still can hold it one-handed. So I'm reading something, I don't have to use two hands to hold it up. There's a bright display, that is nice. That feels quite satisfying to touch as well. There's the front display. Oh, the under display camera. Let's have a look. I mean, do you know what? There's a big white screen there, and I can just about make out if I look to it. But in general, no, it's pretty well hidden. It's not perfect, but try and see. There you go. You can see it just there. At the end of the day, I don't really care. It's new technology. It is going to have its imperfections. I am really liking it though, how it feels. I am very nervous with it. I feel like when I'm closing it, I'm going to put my thumb through where the crease is there, just kind of like push through. There's the hinge as well. Samsung branding on there, and some plastic on the hinge. We'll take all that off as well. But yeah, it doesn't feel really heavy. It's not massively bulky, so I can wrap my hand around it comfortably. Like I say, I can hold it in one hand open, even reading a book, watching something. I can hold it like that, or I can hold it like that. And it's comfortable, it's light, and yeah, I am incredibly excited. So I'm gonna stop the video here, and cinematography magic, I'm gonna get it set up. I'll be back in less than a second. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm all set up, not set up, so not customized it and things like that, but I am signed in, I've got the Wi-Fi on, my SIM card is now in there for the next 12 months. You know what, first impressions though, it feels great in the hand. I mean, it feels sturdy, it doesn't feel fragile at all. I think it is still going to take a little bit of getting used to, like folding and unfolding the screen and not worrying about having to do it gently. I'm not going to smash it as I close it or anything like that. The fingerprint sensor is normally very responsive. You can see there, unlock straight away. It's so nice actually having a physical button again to unlock. Obviously I'm used to the under display one on my Note 20. So I've been using the Note 20 Ultra for the last 12 months. I've been using Notes for the last 4 years, changing every year from the Note 8. But obviously this year there isn't one, so that's why I've decided to go for the Fold. I will be doing lots of videos about the Fold and my experiences with it, so make sure you subscribe and come back for those videos. But yeah, if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments. That's a finger, by the way, those who are wondering. I'll be really happy to answer your comments, so do leave them in the replies and I'll do videos on any questions coming. But next, I'm off to unbox this, so yeah, check that video out because that'll be up soon. I don't know, by the time you watch it, it might already be up. So check it out, check out more videos on my channel. You see, again, it's not massive. I've got fairly big hands, I'm no Shaq, but yeah, I'm so happy with it. I actually like having this smaller display on the front as well. I do need to add my fingerprint from this hand. Just because it is nice. I would say I can just about type doing some like gymnastics on my Note 20. But with this, the small display, I've just been typing like passwords in and getting set up with the, like, obviously you go through the setup, you've got to put Wi-Fi passwords in, email addresses and stuff. And I actually found it really easy, really simple to use. So yeah, I'm liking that one-handed usage for the first time. People have complained it's too small, but I don't know, your first smartphone was probably, depend on your age obviously, was probably about that big of a screen. And the fact that when you hold it, the screen's actually more towards your thumb and your hand anyway because of the hinge. Obviously, it's the opposite way if you are left-handed or you're using it in your left hand, but tough, be a right-handed person. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, press the like button. I'm going to try and compose myself and try and rein in the excitement. But I am so happy with this so far. First impressions are great. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Good night.